Now guys, here I'm gonna show you. I'm going to be measuring egg grams of the egg, and I want a standard egg which should be having 46.0 grams and above, and the one with low grams I'm gonna put it on a separate tray, which is this one, and the one with 46.0 grams, this is where I'm going to be putting them. Yeah, now let's go measure now. And this is having 50 grams. This straight will go here to the other one, and this, yeah, 46.0 still goes here, and this one is 50.5, goes here straight, and this one is 50.7, goes here. This one is 48.5, put it here. I'm still having more eggs, people. This one is 43.5, put it here. That one is low. This one is 51.0, put it here. This one is 46.0. This one is 48.5. This one is 49. This one is 49. That tray is filled. So the other one is filled. Now I'm starting this one. This one is a double yolked egg. It's having more than 70. It's having 70, 75.5, 60. That one I put it here. This one is a tray for double yolked eggs. This one is 46 points. This one goes here. This one is 41, very small. Put it here. And this one is 52. Now we have to put it here. This one is 49. And this one got to damage. This is the only one we have with damage. Put it here. This is the basket for damages. I hope you can see them. Yeah. And eggs with abnormalities, put them there. So let's go ahead. And here we're having 56.5. Put it here. Here we're having 48. Here 50. 59, or 54, sorry, 0. Yeah, 48. We go Here we're having 55. We're having 53. Come on. They're having 45.0. This one I put it there. This one's 45.0, still there. 40, this one is 39.5, doesn't qualify. And this one is 48, it qualifies to be here. And then this is 48, it qualifies. Hope you're with me, guys. This one is 46. Exactly, this is the grams we start with and above. This one qualifies. Below 46.0, we don't take it to this tray, put it the other side. This one's 42. This one's not the grams we want. This one is 43, not the grams we want. This one is 46.5. This one qualifies. 45.0. This doesn't. Put it here. This one's 43. It doesn't qualify. 47 qualifies. 43. It doesn't. 50, 51 qualifies. 44.5, it doesn't. 45.5, it doesn't. But I see the size is not bad. This one is 47, it qualifies. This is 45.5. 45.5. Yeah. 45.5. Yeah. This is, oh my goodness. This one is 50. Comes here. This one is 46. Comes here straight. Finally, this one is 46. We want it. These are the eggs. Those are the eggs we got. This one and the other one are the fine trays. This one's not the fine tray. Thank you.